G'day ladies and germs, Connor here from C-Dubs Media, back with another video. This is a quick video that we're doing, and this is on the Bellroy leather case for the Pixel 6 Pro. I haven't reviewed a Bellroy case before, so this is the first. They make cases not just for the Pixel 6 Pro, but for many phones. Links down below, make sure you check them out. I'll give you the tip, I do like it, and I'm going to go into why, but it's a couple of things they could improve as well. So without further ado, let's just get stuck straight into it and have a look at the Bellroy leather case or the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, quick mention, top-down video is filmed on the Canon R6. Front-facing video is filmed on a Canon 700D. I'm curious as to know what you think of the image. So let me know in the comments down below about that as well. Alrighty, Bellroy leather case for the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, a couple of features on here that are worth mentioning. It does have a microfiber lining on the inside of the case, and it does look okay. I'll show you that in a second as well. It is a slim design, that's what they're touting it as anyway, and I think it's fairly slim. Compatible with wireless charging, it definitely works with wireless charging. At work I use it with a Belkin speaker, and it charges while it's playing music through the speaker, does it fine. Then we have Echo Tanned leather. I don't know what they mean by Echo Tanned, but it's leather. And then we also have a 3-year warranty. I'm not sure what the warranty covers. I'll have a look on the website and put some information down below, but they're the main selling features of this case. Take it out of the box. And it looks pretty good looking if you ask me. Now, one of the things I do say about cases is most of the time they're not going to protect your phone from a fall down on the concrete, especially if they land face down, then you're going to get a smashed screen. Most of the time, I do believe that. But they do protect it from small drops, and I think even really cheap cases can do that. And a lot of the time, it just depends on luck. So these days when I buy cases, I don't really buy the UAG ones anymore. I go more for the look and style of a case because I do realize that it's a bit of a gimmick. They don't protect from that much. Like I said, it's a bit of a game of luck. Here is the Bellroy leather case for the Pixel 6 Pro. Obviously you have the world's biggest camera cut out there, which is made to spec. I do like that, and it does have a raised lip on it here, which will be handy for protecting the screen or the lenses of the camera when you put it face down. So that's handy, I do like that. Then we have the microfiber lining on the inside. Is that what it's called? Yeah, microfiber lining on the inside here with a bit of branding there. I do like it. I think it looks like a pretty hot case. I really do. Then on the bottom we have the charging port, the speakers. I think they're both cut out quite nicely. On the side we have the raised power button and volume button. Get that in focus for you. There you go, power button and volume up and down button on the bottom there. Cut out on the top there for your microphone as well. And that's pretty much it. So it's a stiff case. It's not floppy like you know your Pixel 6 case that Google makes. It's a pretty soft sort of bendy case. This is not soft. This is not bendy. And one of the things that I do like about this over time is that leather gets worn and gets its own character about it. So I'm looking forward to see how it turns out. I know it's going to get dirty and it's going to change and get discolored a lot, but that's part of the appeal to me. It's a bit like your wallet, you know, when your wallet starts to get a bit used and abused, it gets its own character. And that's not a bad thing in my opinion. Anyway, let me just show you. There we have it. So we have a small lip at the top and at the bottom here to protect it when you put it face down. And the display is not rubbing on the table when I do that. It's in a good position. It's not getting damaged in any way. I like that. And then you have that awesome speaker setup on the back of the Pixel 6 Pro, which is also protected. And you put it down, your Pixel 6 Pro camera lenses are not going to get scratched on the table, not on a flat surface anyway. Then we have the buttons on the left-hand side here. So you have the power button, and to be honest, it's a little bit stiff. You've got to press it a little bit harder than I would like to. It is a bit stiff on the power button. Let's have a look again. So you do, I can't show you how hard it is, how hard you have to press it. That's something you just have to feel for yourself. But I can definitely tell you that it is a little bit stiff. You do have to press it a little bit harder than I would like to. So important lesson there. But I think over time that'll loosen up as well. Okay, then we have the volume up and down. So let's go volume up, volume down. And they aren't as stiff as the power button, which is good to see. So the only issue I would have with this case is the fact that the power button is a bit hard. See, I'm pressing it there with my middle finger. This is a big phone, you know, it's hard to handle, it's hard to manipulate it. So having that really tight power button on the side makes it even more harder to handle. More harder. Is that even a term? More harder. Making it more harder, mate. Anyway, the Bellroy leather case for the Pixel 6 Pro. I definitely like it. That to me has character. Over time, it's going to get more character. It's going to look better and better and better. You'll see it in future videos because this is my daily driver. It's going to be hard for another phone to knock the Pixel 6 Pro out of my daily use. So you can put marks on it there, and that's just expected from leather. There's a bit of branding. Bellroy. And to take it out of its case, it's a very snug fit. I'll give it that. It's a very snug fit for the Pixel 6 Pro. So I would say all in all, it's a good case. It's a good design. I like the leather feel. I like that microfiber feel on the inside. I like the branding. I like the look of it. You only have one cutout these days for your phone, and that's for your charging port. And as you can see there is plenty of room in that for your charger to fit in. So you know how some cases the charging port hole is really small, and some charging cables that don't actually fit, you have to take your case off. I've experienced that with a number of phones, but that's not going to be the case here with the Bellroy Pixel 6 Pro leather case. That's it. Nice short video. Thank you very much for watching. Love you all. Appreciate your views. Appreciate your time. Appreciate you using my links down below for the Bellroy leather case. Thanks again, and I will catch you all in the next video. Check ya.